थोड़ा अकलमंदी से काम करूंगा. Ram Lakhan, Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Karma तो I really loved a lot. Then Tridev, Raveena Tandon, director of Badhai Ho.
I have a quick game for you. It's called All Your Firsts.
All my first, okay.
Yeah. So first job.
I used to sell shirts at the age of 16.
Sure. How?
यार मैं at the age of 16 I started working. तो मुझे एक आदमी मिल गया. तो he used to say कि आप ये, you know, he used to tell me to go on each shirt I used to get a commission. So I've been working since the age of 16. मैंने कुछ 5-6 महीने के लिए मैंने वो shirts उठाता था. I used to go on a bus, अलग अलग जगह जाके लोगों को shirt बेचता था. And then उसके बाद I sort of got into एक Wigan and Lay करके college है, उनके prospectus वो बेचता था. तो I used to get commissions on all these things. After that, then my other things began. But I just wanted to work and just wanted to, you know, I wanted to try and see myself, because my parents never used to, I mean, they used to give me some pocket money, you know, but I stopped taking it when I was like 12 years old or 10 years old. I've been earning my own money from a very young age, actually.
That's so good. That's so nice. Okay. Your first solo trip.
First solo trip I have, and it's a very funny story. So this is in college. Again, didn't have much money. I mean, I had to make do with whatever I had. So I had a friend who's an air hostess with a very big airline from the Middle East, and she gave me those, you know, those air hostess get those, they get those buddy tickets, 90% off, 50% off. And she told me, don't be a conjuice, just buy the 50% confirmed seat hoti hai. I said, no, what is cheaper than that? So she said, I'll give you a 90% ticket, which is like, I had to go to Sydney, Australia and back, and the trip was costing 80,000. I got it in 10,000 rupees. I said, नहीं तो मुझे 90 वाली दे दे. हाँ, तो I said, give me the 90. But the catch with that is you can get offloaded anytime. So I have gone to Abu Dhabi from Mumbai. In Abu Dhabi, I have been offloaded 4 times. I have been stuck at the Abu Dhabi airport for 50 hours. I'm like a zinda lash, and I didn't have that much money also yet, because I wasn't carrying money. And मेरे bags मेरे साथ नहीं थे. मेरे bags Australia पहुंच गए. Now from Abu Dhabi, then they sent me to Thailand, where I nearly missed my flight, and then I went to Singapore. Just don't ask. Basically, for a 8 flight to Australia, which should have taken around 18 hours, because of Bombay, Abu Dhabi, Bombay, Sydney. I reached Sydney in 4 days.
That's like one of the best solo trips, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. After that day, I sworn to myself कि जिंदगी में कभी मैं कंजूसी नहीं करूँगा and थोड़ा अकलमंदी से काम करूँगा, you know. So yeah, so that was the worst.
Oh God. Okay. Your first paycheck.
My first paycheck must have been. You want to know the amount of my first paycheck? Must have been some 3,000-4,000 rupees. Because for those the commission, या शर्ट बेचने में और प्रोस्पेक्टस बेचने में लाखों रुपए थोड़ी मिलते हैं. कोई थोड़े सा कमीशन मिल जाता है.
Okay, your first date.
Oh God, I remember this so vividly, because so I went out with this girl on a date who was slightly taller than me, and before we went out on the date, she interviewed me. She called me to her house, and then she said, let's go for a walk in the park. And then she said, I'm going to, like how you're asking me these things, she said, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to say one thing, I want to know what comes in your mind. So I was wondering, what is she going to say? So she said, horse. I said, animal. Then she's like, okay, that's very interesting. Car. So I said, something. So she kept asking me. Then I said, listen, why are you asking me all these car, horse, wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
I mean, God knows what all are you asking me. So she's like, yeah, I wanted to see if you and me are compatible. Like, Teri ko, I've got time to sit and answer your very question. Went on the date, and it was a horrible date. And thank God for that. Who's going to sit and get interviewed all day? Horse,
exactly.
A burger, ab batao, a glass.
You shouldn't have gone on the date only after the interview, I guess.
I swear.
Okay, your first gadget.
My first gadget. Oh, must have been I still am. I'm really fond of video games. I haven't played in a very long time, but I used to love playing. You know that Game Boy or Nintendo. Yeah. I had an Atari actually. Oh. Yeah, which I'm sure you must have not heard of only. But Atari used to be back in the day. Atari, my older cousin had, so he gave it to me. So Atari used to be that really that उसमें सिर्फ वो balls or squares दिखते थे, ऊँटी used to have one of those kind of video games on that. So yeah, Atari was good fun.
My time, I think we had this Mortal Kombat and Mario.
So your time is like way after Atari. Atari के बाद तो दुनिया ही बदल गई है. So yeah, we
Okay.
those Mario games and those Super Contra and Contra
Yeah.
all those games. Yeah.
Okay. One movie or book that impacted you, like the first movie or the first book that you remember has impacted you a lot.
I really enjoyed impacted me. Okay, this is a really, yeah, I remember this one movie very vividly. I remember I was very young and I'd gone with my parents. I was in Karnataka. We used to stay in Karnataka in a town called Hubli at the time. And they'd taken me out of the blue very suddenly to a theatre. And they took me to watch this movie called The Living Daylights. And it had Timothy Dalton and he was James Bond in it. I loved that movie. That is a movie which I really loved. And I became such a huge James Bond fan. And not only that, I have some vivid memories of some Hindi films from my... because हिंदी फिल्मों में ना उस जमाने में विलन्स जो होते थे ना उनके बड़े पिक्यूलियर नाम होते थे. कातिया, देन केसरिया विलायती, सर जॉन, तो आई रिमेम्बर राम लखन एक ऐसी फिल्म थी which was like, oh my god, I loved it. I mean, Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Gulshan Grover. It was another epic film. Then Karma, so I really loved a lot. There was Nasiruddin Shah, Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor again, and Dr. Dang, Anupam Kher, then Tridev. I used to love that how he's going on his bike. He's Jackie Shroff is shooting everyone. And that song with Sangeeta Bijlani, I think she was in the movie as well. So yeah, I was a huge Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor. I still am huge Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor fan, Sanjay Dutt fan, Khalnayak. So James. English में I used to love these James Bond films. Hindi में I used to love these larger than life films. And I used to always then become in my house. So me and my brother, I used to fight with him a lot and we used to beat each other up. And उस ज़माने में WWF बहुत होता था. तो अगर हम दोनों में से एक टटांका होता था तो एक सर जॉन होता था. तो सर जॉन एंड टटांका की लड़ाई हो रही होती थी. That was the like that. And it was just some crazy shit. So, I mean, it was just some fun stuff.
That's such an interesting answer. Okay, first celebrity crush.
Okay, hands down, Raveena Tandon.
No, oh nice. Okay, first thing you've ever cooked.
I cooked. So I was in a boarding school. And there, there's a very interesting way of making noodles. So we used to get these kapo noodles. Those cup wale noodles we used to get. I used to fill it with. So the trick to make it really tasty is you fill it up with hot water. Okay, uske baad you shut the lid and you put some books on it. And then the noodles become soft. And then what you need to do is you need to put cheese spread in it. And then you need to put some chili. You need to put some chili garlic sauce aata hai alag se, red chili garlic sauce. You need to put that in it. And again shut the lid. Then this will all become really soft and really melted. And then you mix it up and then you eat it. So I can't tell you, that was such a delicious kind of a concoction and recipe we used to make in school. And that was like the first thing I did. And it became like a very famous thing in school. We used to all have noodles like that. It was delicious.
Nice. I'll also try now.
Yeah, please.
Okay. The first thing that you did today.
Went to the loo and took a piss. Sorry.
Okay.
No, wait. I'll tell you the first thing.
A lot of people say open their eyes. A lot of people say phone. But this answer is the best. Like the most honest answer.
I was feeling like doing susu, so I went into the loo and did susu.
Okay, last one. The first memory of being on a set.
First memory of being on set has to be my first commercial. I did a commercial, believe it or not, very interesting story, and I'll just take 2 minutes of your time. So I was standing on a set and I did a commercial for this ad called, it was a detergent ad, and I got cast for it. I'd never been cast in front of the camera before that ever. And so Amit Sharma, the director of Badhai Ho, was the director of the commercial. and Binod Pradhan was the cinematographer.
Mm-hmm.
And as it turns out, which I got to know years later, that Nitish Tiwari, the director of Dangal, was the creative director on the creative from the agency. He was the person who was on the ad, and it was crazy because I had to keep getting wet. And वो swipe करके वो detergent का आता है ना कि आपके कपड़े चमक गए, वो ठंडा पानी फेंके जा रहे थे मेरे पे, and Amit, come on, be still, and I was like, I have a very lovely memory of this commercial because there were so many stalwarts from the industry involved in this commercial. So I remember I was watching a film. I watched a trial show at Yashraj many years ago of a film, and I saw Nitish Tiwari, and I was like, hey, I must go and congratulate him on Dangal. And I said, hi sir, this is Shiv, and I just wanted to say Dangal has been a terrific film. So he said, I know you. So I said, you know me? I said, why? That detergent ad with you. And I was on the set, and I was representing the agency, and I know you're. I've seen you. I was like, why? This is damn good. Yeah. So I was quite kicked with that. I was quite kicked to sort of have met him, and and my first job only started off with him, and with Amit, and with Binod Pradhan. So yeah, it was great.
That's so nice. On that note, thank you for giving your time. And good luck
Anya,
with the office.
Thanks, Shatan. Pleasure talking to you. It was a real pleasure, and hopefully we will meet soon, face to face, after the pandemic is.
For another project that you're working
on.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.